everybody, I greatly appreciate you tuning into my channel. I'm BJ from the 478, and today I want to talk to you about the new speaker bezel that I actually received my patent, and it's also copyrighted by BJ from the 478. So let's dig into this. What this is for a 1970 to 1975 Caprice Classic, either the convertible or the hardtop. It will work in either of those applications, whatever vehicle you have. So what this consists of, and this, what this customer wanted was 2 4s and 2 tweeters. So underneath the dash, it's like a 6x9 or 4 say, whatever size that was back in the day. But these holes right here are actually pre-drilled. So once you take the dash off, it just bolts right back underneath. And then you take the factory 10mm nuts and bolt this right back here. And let me show you exactly how this works. So take your 4s, just set them back down. Now I can ship these out with them attached or leave them in the box. And if you want your audio shop to actually wire them up or whatnot, if you are doing this at home and you want me to wire them up for you, I'll be more than happy, and I won't charge you any extra. So I will put speaker wire in this kit. This piece right here, all this is 100% handmade, and like I said, it is copyrighted. I will post up the copyright link to it as well. If you want to purchase this copyright, reach out to me, BJ from the 478. Shoot me some messages. I will sell it. So also, what it does is you can contract me to bill it however you want. Just reach out to me, DM me, send me a direct message, or you can actually call me. So I can do 1 6x9. I can make you the bezel for nothing but tweeters. It's, like I said, it's totally up to you. But if you don't want to contract me to make it, you know what I'm saying, and you're making one at home, I'm not a guy that hides secrets. I'm basically here to help you and just to show you what I'm capable of doing. So if you want to make one at home, hey, have at it, But if you want one of mine, I do line X them or rhino line them, however you want it. They can come raw, they can come painted, however you would like. But this actual kit right here with the PRV setup, with the TW350 Ti's and the MR60s, the little 4s, this kit will run you $289 free shipping and handling. Now, if you subscribe to my channel, you're gonna get another nice little 10% off. So just keep that in mind. You can get this piece right here shipped to your door, ready to plug and play by the time you get it. And trust me, they sound amazing. So let me show you exactly how these speakers attach. Put a couple screws on here. I will put double nuts on here. I know that sounds kind of funny, but I will double them up, and the second set will have a slight little blue dab of Loctite on here, just to make sure, these cars tend to vibrate a little bit, so we're not gonna have them just all inside your dash and not on the bezel. How about that? Now with this bezel, I do offer a warranty. I do insurance on these bezels as well. So once I send them out, they will have insurance on them. And also, I can turn around and give you a 1-year warranty on this thing too. So if it accidentally messes up on you, if it's installer error, don't call me. Let's just don't even reach out to me. But if it's something that it does, my product doesn't hold up, call me. I'll send you another one out. No biggie, and it won't cost you anything. Just once you get the new one back in, just send me the old one, and I'll determine what was the cause of it, and I'll put it in the trash. But if you break it, it's on you. Couple more screws and we're in there like a dirty shirt. Now, I don't know if you are new to my channel or if you're just scrolling through, just checking out what I got going on. If you would like to see more of my videos and see exactly what I do for a living, just go to my channel, BJ from the 478, and scroll through a couple videos. You can see some of my cars, some of the motorcycles I build, and just how I'm progressing in life. One thing you should do every day is you should learn something new, and you should always go forward, not backwards. So that's what we're doing. We're going forward, we're not going backwards, and I'm here to help people, and I like to share my knowledge. And like I said, if you're making one in your garage, I just showed you exactly what it consists of. It's a great idea. But if you're making one like this and you're making money off of it, then that's what a patent is. And that's the reason why I had to copyright it. So the bigger companies just can't take your invention and go out there and be like, well, we're gonna start selling this. And then guess what? I'll let you sit out there and sell it for a minute. And then hopefully I can pack my bags. I ain't gotta do no work no more, because we're gonna see about you. So that is what you come up with. Now, need you be, this is gonna be in your dash, and you don't see this, but once you get it from me, it's gonna look 100% like it came that way. And a lot of people take pride in their vehicles. You put a lot of money in these cars. A lot of people don't wanna cut any place to put a lot of speakers. They just wanna put a retro radio in there, something nice and clean, and this is it. This direct bolts back in underneath the dash. You use the factory screws, 410 millimeters. They're already pre-drilled. So this thing should just sit down, you plug in your speaker wires, and you should be good to go. Now this kit, like I said, is $289, free shipping and handling, anywhere in the United States. But if you like and you subscribe to my channel and you are a subscriber, you will get 10% off. So you have to let me know, reach out to me. All orders will be done in a timely fashion. Like I said, this customer right here contracted me yesterday. I already have it complete. I have his address. I will be shipping it out first thing in the morning, and he should receive it sometime in the middle of next week. So I do fast shipping. We can do 2 day, 1 day. If you need it next day here, you pay for it, I got you. So if you need anything from me, I'm BJ from the 478. Like, subscribe to this video, and until next time, thank you.